Right. Now let us see this problem, which is asked in JEE 2013 online exam. A liquid drop having 6 excess electrons. Let us take this is a liquid drop. It's a liquid drop having 6 electrons. 6 electrons are there. Is kept stationary. Stationary means it should not fall downwards or going upwards. It should be at rest or in equilibrium. Should be in the stationary under a uniform electric field. Electric field is given. First, let us imagine when a drop is there, weight of it will be acting downwards. That means weight is acting downwards. M into G. Weight is acting downwards. Now, weight is acting downwards. Electric field has to balance. That means to make it stationary, electric field should act in upward or downward. Can you tell me? The force should act in upward or downward direction. Electric force, can anybody? Upward direction, because downward already mg is acting. Upward, what should act? Force, electric force. He is not given in which direction it is acting, but it is acting force due to this electric field should act in upward direction. This is nothing but E into Q. Should act in upward. Then only it will be at a stationary. mg should be balanced by EQ. Both should be in equilibrium. Then the net force will become 0. Then it will be in a stationary or at a rest. Fine. That means EQ should balance. EQ should balance M into G. That's all. Then only it will be at the stationary condition, or the net force should be 0. Net of force is 0. Then it will comes into stationary or equilibrium. Now the question is E. E is already given. This is nothing but a value of E. This is E value given. Okay. Next, what is given? 6 electrons given. 6 electron means charge. Charge can be written as Q is equal to. Can anybody say what is Q is equal to? How to define charge? Number of electrons. This is nothing but number of electrons. Q is equal to number of electrons. Now E value 2.25.5 kilo is given, 10 to the power of 3 into Q is nothing but N into E. 6 electrons given, 6 into charge of electron, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 is equals to. Right. But M is not given. G we can take it as 9.8 or 10. Let us take it as 10. We will be taking. M is not given, but he has given a density given, and as well as he has given. He is asking us to calculate the radius. So mass and density and radius. So density is equal to. I'll write density equal to mass by volume. Density is equal to mass by volume. Now mass is equals to density into volume, because mass is not given. I am trying to convert into density and volume. So mass is equal to density. Density क्या है? देखिए density. Density is 1.26. Okay. Density into volume. Volume क्या है? 4/3 pi r cube. Why I am taking 4/3 pi r cube? Why not any other thing? Because this is nothing but a liquid drop. Liquid drop means 3 dimensional sphere. Drop. It is a sphere, right? So that is nothing but 4/3 pi r cube. Then density, here I will be writing density rho into 4/3 pi r cube into G. G I will be writing 10. What we have to calculate? Radius of the drop. Right? Now 25.5 into 10 to the power of 3 into 6 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 divided by, just cross multiplying that one term. So density how much given? 1.26 into 10 to the power of 3 into 4 here into 3, as it will goes to numerator, into pi means 3.14 into 10 is equals to r cube. Is it clear? Just rearranged that one and finally I wrote. Now what is r? R is equal to, here r will becomes under root of 1/3. अब सर कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. Approximately, if you calculate this one with 1/3, it may take some time, because you may calculate faster than me, right? So then we will be getting r value approximately 7.74 into 10 to the power of minus 7 meters. Right. 7.74 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter, approximately matching with the B option. Answer is B option. That means only when you know first concepts, mg will act downwards, EQ should act the upward direction. That means the force due to this negative charge should act in upward direction, so that it will remain stationary. Next thing, we have to equate both the things. The net force should become 0, F should be equal to EQ, net force should become 0. Then we will be equating it. Then we are trying to convert the Q into N into E. N is nothing but 6, E is nothing but charge of electron, 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. After that, If you take mass is not given, then try to see that what is given data, density is given, we can convert mass into density, then we convert it into density. Mass is equal to density into 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then we are substituting. Finally, what we have to do, we have to calculate that value to get the answer. Fine. Understood?